Monster Truck Show. He got on his shirt from the last Monster Truck Show. He got on skinny jeans today, y'all. From Tiffany, cousin Tiffany. They fly. He looking fly today. They'll land. And then when it was my turn to put him up there to do the race cars, the sound went out. These are mostly the videos that I made on Blair's phone. I don't know why the sound went out, but it did. Here you go dancing. That baby couldn't make it through. Say, I'm only two, mommy and daddy. Then afterwards, we went to the Rainforest Cafe. And baby, when I tell you, it was such a scene. It was a scene. It was very beautiful. I loved everything about it. I just love the little creatures the fake creatures that move about, and it makes you feel like you're really in a rainforest. It even had rain, y'all. It had the fog. It had the monkeys. It had the gorillas and apes. Oh, while we waited, I went to that little place right there that you saw, and I got that very delicious drink. And we finally made our way inside. We didn't have to wait long because we had VIP, because we were Landry's. And look at that beautiful butterfly, elephant. You guys, it's a vibe, okay? So we got there, we sat down, and we had some drinks. I had my appetizer, which was the Korean barbecue wrap. I had that pork chop meal with some good stuff. I don't know why the sound went out, but Baby Bear noticed when he finally woke up, he noticed that there was a zebra over there in the corner. So he kept saying, zebra, zebra. And I was like, yes, baby, that is a zebra. He's so smart. He kept pointing out all the animals and saying what they were. He loved it oh so much. He had a time, baby. He had a time today. He got a little frog cup. Oh, he also got another cup from the monster truck show that I didn't get on video. But he got so many souvenirs today. Like, he is so spoiled. He is so blessed. I'm so grateful that I have a good fiance. He my fiance, okay? But you know, he is my child's father, and I'm just happy. I'm blessed. I'm thankful. I'm grateful, and it's just amazing just to be able to do these things for our son and allow him to enjoy his 2-year-old life. He couldn't stop looking around, because at this point, like, he just woke up, so he was just looking around like, wow, what is going on? Pointing out all the animals. He noticed the rainbow, and here he is walking around. He got done eating. He ate most of my food, really. And he pointed at the elephant, and he said, elephant, elephant. And I was like, yes, baby, that's an elephant. Good job. And yeah, I got to add more footage, because I got to take a picture of what he got from the monster truck show, and also the pictures from our photo booth. I'll be back, y'all. So this is the cup we got, and these are the pictures we took in the little photo booth. He would not look at the camera. That's why I'm looking crazy. I'm going to force him to look at the camera. And now he got me looking crazy. But we had a good time. The Rainforest Cafe. Hey, look. Okay. Go. Say cheese. Look, say cheese. So look. Say. Oh, look. Look, look. Say cheese. Say cheese.